Alright, here I am with my Harbor Freight tire changer. I bought Mojo blocks, which I took a picture of and showed on the website, to protect the rim. A lot of people put duct tape or whatever, but Mojo blocks seemed like a good solution to me. And I bought the Mojo lever as well. And again, this is my first time trying to do my own tire, so we're going to see how well this goes. See if it's as easy as everyone claims. All right, well, that's the first half. And here I just have some soapy water, a little foam brush. Doing the other half of the tire, just for lubrication. Spinning a little bit on me. Spinning a lot on me. So the second bead's not going to be as easy as the first. Tighten this up a little more. And get it to stop spinning. And that's in the middle. Well, it still wants to spin. So a little bit of hand holding to keep the wheel from spinning to get the second bead off, but other than that, it was just as easy as you saw.